Did you know the Realme Narzo Power 5G packs a battery that could potentially last you over 2 days of heavy use on a single charge? The smartphone market in India never stays quiet for long. Every month, brands release devices that promise better performance, longer battery life, and smarter features. Recently, Realme Narzo Power 5G has created serious buzz, mainly because of one shocking specification, a massive 10,001 mAh battery, which is far larger than most smartphones available today. But hype and reality are not always the same. So the big question remains, is the Realme Narzo Power 5G actually worth the hype? Let's break down its design, performance, camera, battery, and real-world value to find out. 1. The big buzz around Realme Narzo Power 5G. Realme's Narzo series has always targeted users who want powerful specs at competitive prices. With the Narzo Power 5G, the company is clearly focusing on extreme battery life and gaming-friendly performance. The device launched in India with a starting price of around 27,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 128GB variant and 29,999 rupees for the 8GB plus 256GB variant, with launch discounts reducing the effective price to about 23,999 rupees. That pricing places it directly in the upper mid-range smartphone segment, competing with devices from brands like iQOO, Xiaomi, and Motorola. 2. Design and build quality. At first glance, the Realme Narzo Power 5G looks like a premium device rather than a mid-range phone. It comes in Titan Blue and Titan Silver color options, both designed to give a futuristic metallic look. Despite packing an enormous battery, Realme has managed to keep the phone's weight around 219 grams, which is impressive considering the battery capacity. The phone also includes Corning Gorilla Glass protection on the front, while the frame and back use durable plastic materials. Another surprising feature is the IP66, IP68, and IP69 ratings, which means the device offers strong protection against dust and water. For a phone in this price category, such durability ratings are rare and definitely add to its appeal. 3. A display designed for speed. The display is one of the most impressive aspects of the Narzo Power 5G. The smartphone features a 6.78-inch AMOLED display with a 144Hz refresh rate, making animations and scrolling incredibly smooth. It also supports HDR10+ and up to 6,500 nits peak brightness, which ensures great outdoor visibility and vibrant colors when watching videos. For gamers, the high refresh rate can make gameplay smoother, while regular users benefit from fluid navigation across apps and menus. Overall, the display quality rivals many premium smartphones. 4. Performance and processor. Powering the device is the MediaTek Dimensity 7400 Ultra chipset, paired with up to 8GB of RAM. This processor is designed to deliver balanced performance for gaming, multitasking, and daily use. The phone also includes a secondary HyperVision Plus AI chip, which handles certain tasks separately from the main processor. This extra chip helps improve gaming stability, AI image processing, power efficiency. For gamers, features like AI Hyper-Stable Frame and AI Hypermotion aim to reduce frame drops during gameplay. While it may not compete with flagship processors, the Narzo Power 5G offers solid mid-range performance suitable for most users. 5. The star feature, a 10,001 mAh battery. Let's talk about the feature that made headlines. The Narzo Power 5G includes a massive 10,001 mAh battery, which is more than double the capacity of many standard smartphones. Realme claims the battery can deliver up to 38 days of standby time, around 32 hours of YouTube playback, over 11 hours of gaming, more than 72 hours of calls. This makes the phone ideal for heavy smartphone users, gamers, travelers, people who hate charging phones frequently. The device also supports 80 watts fast charging, allowing it to reach about 50% battery in roughly 36 minutes. Another cool feature is 27 watts reverse charging, meaning the phone can act as a power bank for other devices. In short, the battery is easily the biggest highlight of the Narzo Power 5G. 6. Camera performance. The camera system is fairly solid for the price. The phone includes 50MP Sony IMX882 primary camera with WA, 8MP ultra-wide camera, 16MP front camera, The main sensor captures detailed photos with good dynamic range in daylight conditions. Features include optical image stabilization (WA), 4K video recording, AI image processing. The ultra-wide camera helps capture landscapes or group shots, though its quality may not match the main sensor. Selfie lovers will find the 16MP front camera adequate for social media photos and video calls. Overall, the camera system is good but not groundbreaking. 7. Software and user experience. The Narzo Power 5G runs on Realme UI 7.0 based on Android 16. Realme promises 3 years of Android updates, 4 years of security updates. The interface offers features like customizable themes, smart AI tools, game optimization modes, privacy controls. While Realme UI includes some pre-installed apps, the experience is generally smooth and user-friendly. 8. Audio and entertainment features. For entertainment lovers, the phone includes 400% Ultra Boom audio technology, which boosts speaker volume for better media playback. Combined with the large AMOLED display, this makes the Narzo Power 5G a good device for watching movies, gaming, streaming content. 9. Pros of Realme Narzo Power 5G. Here are the biggest advantages of this smartphone. 1. Massive 10,001 mAh battery. One of the largest batteries ever in a mainstream smartphone. 2. Smooth 144Hz AMOLED display. Great for gaming and media. 3. Strong durability. IP66, IP68, and IP69 protection. 4. Fast charging support. 80 watts charging helps offset the huge battery size. 5. Solid performance for mid-range users. 10. Cons of Realme Narzo Power 5G. Despite its strengths, the phone is not perfect. 1. Slightly heavy design. Large battery means more weight. 2. Camera system is average for the price. 3. Processor isn't flagship level. 4. Possibly a rebranded model. Some reports suggest it shares many features with another Realme device. 11. Who should buy this phone? The Narzo Power 5G is ideal for people who prioritize battery life and smooth performance. It's especially suitable for gamers, heavy smartphone users, travelers, students, content consumers. If you constantly run out of battery before the day ends, this phone could be a perfect solution. 12. Final verdict, is it worth the hype? The Realme Narzo Power 5G definitely earns attention thanks to its insanely large battery and high refresh AMOLED display. While it doesn't offer flagship-level cameras or the most powerful chipset, it excels in the areas that matter most to many users: battery life, display quality, and reliable performance. In short, yes, the hype is mostly justified, especially if battery life is your top priority. For anyone tired of charging their phone every night, the Narzo Power 5G could be one of the most practical smartphones available today. When compared to its direct competitors, like the Poco X4 Pro or the Samsung Galaxy A32, the Narzo Power 5G holds its own, offering a similar set of features at a competitive price. It may not excel in every area, but it provides a well-rounded experience that will satisfy most users. I've had the chance to use the Narzo Power 5G for a few days, and my experience has been largely positive. I appreciate the phone's performance and battery life, but I do wish the camera was better. Overall, it's a solid choice for anyone looking for a budget-friendly phone that can handle demanding tasks. So, is the Realme Narzo Power 5G worth the hype? I'd give it a solid 8 out of 10. It's perfect for budget gamers and casual users who want a reliable phone that won't break the bank. If you're in the market for a phone that offers great performance and battery life without the hefty price tag, the Narzo Power 5G is definitely worth considering. If you've got any thoughts on the Narzo Power 5G, be sure to leave a comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews, and if you're interested in more budget gaming phones, check out my other video on the best gaming phones under $200.